Okay, there's video. It's taking 30 frames per second. This is, what's the name of this newspaper outfit?
York Newspaper Company?
York Newspaper Company, and they say their road's plowed. Is your sister on her way?
Yeah, here she comes. Watch this.
You got some talented graffiti artists too. Yeah. You know, carburetor cleaner will take most of that off. Carburetor cleaner. Go buy the cheapest carburetor cleaner you can buy.
She's waiting for us to move.
It ain't what it says it's for, but it works.
Oh, there comes a plow truck now. I wonder if they're going in there, Ethan.
I don't know. If they're not, that road's still not passable. Ain't nobody there to let you in to get papers, though.
The door's open.
What do you mean the door's open? They don't lock it?
The garage door's open. Let's see, where do you think he goes?
No, that's this guy. That's this guy right here.
Yep.
Is he going to plow it?
There's the plow now.
Is that him?
That's him. He's just going in there now.
See, I told you it wasn't open.
Yeah, we have to wait a couple minutes. He's just plowing now.
Huh?
So you guys plow out the newspaper company?
That's Lee.
Oh, it's got your sign truck on the side.
Uh-huh.
Huh?
That's Lee. That's where he lives.
Oh,
What's
but
he doing, being
he's not
knucklehead?
plowing out there?
He's out here
Huh?
shoveling.
Oh, he's just turning around? I was gonna say, it says your company on the side of it.
And they don't do it?
No.
That's not the plow truck!
They think it's the plow truck.
Have to open the door so I can tell her. We're just going home because I ain't sitting here waiting.
I'll go around the block one more time with the video on. Isn't this where I went in?
Uh-huh.
No, this isn't where I went in.
No,
I went in back up there for
back up there, yeah.
Turn around back there.
What do you want them to do for you? Cut stuff and put your own lettering and stuff on?
Maybe. If they don't want too much.
They don't
I want to buy my own sign, my own plotter, the machine to do it.
Uh-huh.
That machine's like $3 grand, $4 grand.
Oh, shit.
I used to own it.
Not my teeth.
I used to own my own sign business
Uh-huh.
when I had my other companies because I just letter all my own shit.
Uh-huh.
Economy signs, all kinds. Used to be money. Out in Colorado. There's a guy going in too.
Uh-huh. He ain't gonna get in. He's gonna bog out because that's a little freaking car.
Where'd the little red car go?
I don't know. I guess up there, turning around.
I'll go back around the block to prove it's not plowed.
The
We
car's
plowed
in
in
your way.
a little ways.
Yeah. Car's in your way.
I want to go that way.
He's stuck. What? She wants us for something.
Over here.
On this side.
That side don't work.
You ain't getting the fuck in there, man.
He
I already
was in.
did. I drove all the way around the building.
I'm not going to fucking there.
I did it.
He's gonna video it.
I got a GoPro. I'm gonna take a trip around the building, show them it ain't plowed. It's date time stamped and geolocated. They can't tell me it ain't there. I already did it. As long as you keep your foot all the way to the floor
And don't stop.
and the tires spin like mad, you're cool.
I'm not going in there with that little thing.
You
I'm
don't
punching slower than yours.
Yeah.
But she
I'll
talk.
definitely get
Was
stuck
she
in
on the
there.
phone with Virginia now?
Huh?
She on the phone with Virginia now?
No, I don't know.
She call them.
I guess she is.
I ain't
On
gonna
the phone
fucking.
with Abby the last time I seen her.
I ain't gonna fuck.
Well, I mean, that
They
right
want us
there.
to go in there and get that shit, guess what? Fuck you.
Well, they need to plow that crap. If they expect people to work in this weather, they need to get a plow out
Yeah, and
here.
they want us to go in there tonight? Yeah.
You ain't gonna be able to get a plow in there tonight
Fuck that.
if it keeps snowing. If they let it get too deep, you're gonna need a front end loader.
Yep. Because damn.
And I told him they
truck
only
ain't
do
going
so
in
much.
there.
They only do from the
That guy
doors
had a
over.
hard time getting the fuck back out. He
Yeah.
had it in four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I told her, I said, man, I'm going to fuck home.
This is two times we were here now and can't get in either
I'm
time.
gonna make a lap around and then we'll go home. They don't
I
get
tried to come into the back. I'm like,
Yeah, can't
they
go in
ain't
that
touching
way.
back there.
No, because Kenzie's plowing theirs and pushing it all over this way.
Yep, I'm going back home. Fuck that shit.
Yeah, she wants
Well,
them
what are they
done.
gonna do? Fire everybody that delivers papers?
Probably.
Well, what the hell will they do to deliver papers then?
Yeah, fucking Virginia wanted me to get my four-wheel drive fixed in my truck.
By the night, yeah.
I'm like, yeah, right.
You ain't even gonna get in and out of there with you. Ain't gonna
Fuck
stop
no, I
in
ain't
there
going
with
to get in there with
four-wheel
my truck either. Fuck that.
Yeah.
I'll let my truck depart.
Yeah, she's out of her tree. Just because she got four-wheel drive don't mean everybody else
if she
does.
says if you can't get in here and get your papers, you're going to lose them. You know
That's
what?
what she said.
Fuck them.
That's what she told me there won't be no pay.
Fuck.
She told me to call Randy, get Randy to come do my routes. He came all the way here from Redline. He got in here.
Oh, my fucking God.
Nobody went in there before we did. There was no tire tracks.
Nope. Nobody was in there.
Nobody's been in there before
You
we
were
got
the
went
only
in
one
there.
that was in there?
Yep. There were
Yeah,
no
right.
tire
She's
tracks.
fucking lying.
'Cause
If
there
she-
would be
if
tire
she wants
tracks.
my fucking route,
She can have it.
She can fucking have it, man. Fuck it.
I mean, there would be tire tracks.
Yeah.
If he's been here since the snow came, you'd be able to see his tire tracks. The only set of tire tracks that go all the way around or
Are
go back
his.
there are mine.
Would you go in this entrance and came
I
around?
went around this
He went
entrance
in
and
this
came out
entrance
that
and came
one.
out that entrance.
I just kept my foot all the way to the floor. I didn't see no point in stopping.
And he said it's supposed to do this till tomorrow.
They say it's not supposed to stop till like 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Yeah, she wants to go out here and fucking do this shit.
Yeah.
If she says you're going to be fired, I'm like, fuck it.
And she told me,
You know what it is? They don't care about us. As long as you get the motherfucking papers out,
that's
that's
all
good.
they want. She told
Fuck
me
'em.
if I don't get it done, there's going to be no pay.
Well,
Should I have
to
no
find another
pay?
job.
I said,
Right?
and she said, well, I said, I don't have nobody to pay, no money for anybody to pay to do my driveway, no money to pay for somebody to do my routes. Well, call Randy. I don't know what to tell you. You have to take it out of your check. I said, well, you just told me if I don't get them done, there ain't going to be no check. So how can I fucking plan on paying somebody? She took it out her ass.
she don't want to get us started because her.
Just like that guy you're subbing for. He was she's holding his motherfucking routes.
Yep.
We got cars going through.
Well,
Yeah.
I gotta get going.
All right, I'm
All
gonna
right.
drive around the block one more time. Yeah, that only set of tire tracks is mine. There's a car there. Whee! Only tire tracks back here are mine.
Yep.
You don't dare stop. Oh, and there's a bigger pile of snow in front of
Oh,
the road.
shit.
Oh well. Hopefully nobody's coming. You think I've ever driven in the snow before?
She can, you know what? She can
She can find somebody
She can
else.
kiss my ass.
She's fucking nuts. You guys don't have too much fun. I just took a video going around the. You don't dare stop because you're sliding the whole time. So, oh well. All right. Well, I'll have to come back by one of these days.
What do you want, like truck leather?
Yeah, just white vinyl cut where I peel it and stick it on my vehicles.
Yeah, we do that all the time.
Yeah, I just don't. I don't want to pay the high.
Oh yeah, we cut it, mask it, give it to people in the car all the time.
Yeah, that's because some of these companies they throw. Well, you can't do that. Look, it ain't that hard. You measure where it's level, put the two little pieces of masking tape, pull the backside off, stick it on, smooth it out, have a good day.
If you're happy with it, that's all that matters.
Well, and it ain't permanent. I mean, it's permanent, but it's not. All it takes is a razor blade, and off it comes. So, all right, you guys have a good day. So we just proved. Yeah. You want to call it crazy bitch?
Nope. I'll let John deal with it. I ain't dealing with her. I'm done dealing with
Okay,
her.
which way I had to get home?
This way.
Hey, Holly, we can't stop.
Somebody just plowed that all out.
Yeah, somebody left a big old pile of snow on the little damn road. Another one. You realize that it's supposed to do like another 8 to 12 inches yet tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, so they haven't plowed that now. What's going to happen when there's another foot on top of what's there?
That's. Oh, the plow. You heard what she told me. The plow will be there between 2 and 3.
It's 3:15.
She told Terry the same thing. I'm like, here at the light and we'll make a left.
Stupid people. You wouldn't have got done any better in your little